Imagine you're working with a set of data and you come across a problem. The issue you face involves needing to replace a single space with multiple spaces, which is not a common task that you find solutions for easily. It can be quite frustrating to figure out the best way to approach this problem, especially when most resources focus on the opposite, replacing multiple spaces with a single space. Now, let's delve into the solution that can help address the issue at hand. By utilizing the column-T command, we can format the input data into neat and organized columns, making it much easier to analyze and read. This command ensures that the output is aligned correctly, providing a clear and structured view of the data. Furthermore, by continuing to explore this solution, we can see how the column-T command effectively formats the data provided earlier. The displayed output showcases each element in the input data aligned neatly in columns, making it visually appealing and easy to comprehend. This formatting not only enhances readability, but also simplifies the process of interpreting the information. Additionally, it's worth noting that the column-T utility plays a vital role in formatting input data into multiple columns, as indicated in its description. This functionality further solidifies its importance in structuring and presenting data in a visually concise manner, facilitating efficient data analysis and interpretation. In summary, by implementing the column-T command, you can effortlessly format and organize your data into visually appealing columns, thereby enhancing readability and facilitating data analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or feedback is always appreciated.